Garlic, a pungent bulb used for centuries, is more than just a culinary staple. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially when consumed raw. Raw garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have potent medicinal properties. Adding raw garlic to your diet can significantly improve your health and well-being. Let's explore the incredible benefits this small but mighty ingredient offers. Raw garlic is a natural immune booster, packed with essential nutrients and compounds that can enhance your body's defense mechanisms. Allicin, released when garlic is crushed or chopped, has powerful antimicrobial and antiviral properties, making it a potent ally in fighting off various pathogens. It helps fight off infections by stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for your immune response. Regular consumption of raw garlic can significantly strengthen your immune system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses like colds, flu, and other infections. Studies have shown that raw garlic can reduce the severity and duration of cold symptoms, helping you recover faster and feel better sooner. It acts as a natural decongestant, clearing blocked sinuses and making it easier to breathe, especially during cold and flu season. Including raw garlic in your diet during cold and flu season can be a powerful way to protect yourself, ensuring you stay healthy and vibrant all year round. Raw garlic is a friend to your heart. It helps lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow. This reduces strain on the heart and lowers the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Raw garlic also improves cholesterol levels by reducing LDL or bad cholesterol and increasing HDL or good cholesterol. This powerful bulb can prevent plaque buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. By incorporating raw garlic into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier cardiovascular system. Section 4. Beyond the basics. Raw garlic for stress, energy, and more. The benefits of raw garlic extend beyond immunity and heart health. This humble bulb is a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly enhance your overall well-being. It can help reduce stress and improve energy levels. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet can be a natural way to manage stress and boost your energy. Garlic contains antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, which contributes to fatigue and low energy. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, keeping you feeling more vibrant and energetic. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes. By maintaining stable blood sugar levels, garlic ensures that your energy remains consistent throughout the day. Some studies suggest that raw garlic may have mood-boosting effects. The compounds in garlic can influence neurotransmitters in the brain, potentially lifting your mood and reducing feelings of anxiety. While more research is needed, the overall health benefits of raw garlic can contribute to a more positive outlook and increased vitality. Embracing raw garlic in your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your mental and physical health. Section 5. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet tips and tricks. Adding raw garlic to your diet is easier than you think. Not only does it enhance the flavor of your meals, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Start by incorporating small amounts to get used to the flavor. This way, you can gradually build up your tolerance and enjoy the taste without it being too overwhelming. Here are some simple ways to enjoy its benefits. You can add it to a variety of dishes, making your meals both delicious and nutritious. Add crushed or minced raw garlic to salad dressings for a flavorful kick. This not only enhances the taste, but also boosts the nutritional value of your salads. Mix chopped raw garlic with olive oil and use it as a dip for bread. This simple combination can transform a plain piece of bread into a gourmet treat. Sprinkle minced raw garlic over cooked dishes like pasta or vegetables. It adds a burst of flavor and a healthy twist to your favorite meals. Remember, a little goes a long way with raw garlic. Its strong flavor means you don't need much to make a big impact. Start with 1 or 2 cloves daily and gradually increase the amount as desired. This allows your body to adjust and helps you find the perfect balance for your taste buds. Section 6. Unleash the power of raw garlic. A healthier you awaits. Raw garlic is a true superfood, offering a wide range of health benefits. From boosting immunity and protecting your heart to reducing stress and increasing energy, this pungent bulb deserves a place in your diet. By incorporating raw garlic into your meals, you can enhance your overall health and well-being. Embrace the power of nature's tiny wonder and experience the transformative benefits of raw garlic.